Can you see what we are talking about? In one farm like this is corn, and this is vegetable, and this is okra for one the same farm like this. Have you see it? So farm is not like okay, as I before, it's about wisdom. Do you have the wisdom to do it? It's about wisdom. Have you see it? And the corn they go do very well. This one now, see, this is the watermelon. Just come up here. Nobody plant it too. Have you see it? Yeah, come and see vegetable here. Come and see vegetable here. Don't see. See how one shot up big leak. Don't see how. Don't see how. Come with okra. Have you see it? It's about wisdom. If you can do it, you can make it. Have you see it? Have you see it? Don't see vegetable. Have you see it? And you see okra. This okra is a 41 days okra. Have you see? And they are doing very well. Have you see it? They are both doing very, very great well. Have you see it? They are doing very, very great. Have you seen them? They are doing very, very great. You see? Yeah. It's happiness to see your farm like this. Have you seen it? It's happiness. Have you seen it? It's happiness to see it like this. Everything are doing very, very great. It's happiness. So if I come today now, I'll carry vegetable go home. Have you seen it? Huh? Have you seen it? I will take vegetable to home. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? This is benefit with they from farm. You can never eat it finish. Many benefits from farm.